Roms Developers is dedicated for sustainable development, and we are very happy to be a part of this green mission with MG. MG Charge is a great initiative to protect the environment and take India to a green future.
MG Motors, as an automotive OEM, has always been committed to providing the best EV experience for our customers. With the inauguration of these chargers in Lucknow, in collaboration with Roms Developers, we are hoping to push forward the electric mobility initiative in India.